William, it was a fantastic game. This is more than you expected?
Yeah, of course we wanted to win today. Of course we didn't know that we will win 3-0 at home, but we wanted to win and we won, so we are so happy to score 3 goals today in front of our fans and to not concede.
How was the duel against Kylian? Because you grew up together, you have a fantastic relationship. How was that big little game between you?
Yeah, it was good for me because we won and he didn't score. But yeah, against a player like this, you have to be all the game focused. And we did well and we have to do the same next week.
William, un mot
Guys,
en français sur
did you know that Declan is fantastic with the free kicks?
Yeah, I didn't know because it is first free kick here. So I didn't know, but today he scored 2 amazing free kicks. So I'm so happy for him and I hope he will score again.
What would be the message for the second leg? Because it's difficult going in 3-0 and not being complacent, isn't it?
Yeah, of course. We know we won 3-0, but the job is not done.
Exactly.
We want to go there and to win again. We don't want to stay there, go there and defend all the...
I love that confidence.
Yeah, what's in your stop now? We don't want to go there and defend.
Yeah. So with the confidence we guys say we are going there to win, like we are going there to win, and it make everybody understand say the job never still finish because return leg day. We are going there not for defense, but to win again. Kudos to him.
Yeah.
Game, we want to go there and win the game and get the job done.
William, en français, comment c'était cette victoire quand même? 3-0, c'est incroyable.
Ouais, c'était incroyable. C'est incroyable de gagner. On va faire le job là, c'est sûr. On voulait leur mettre la pression. On a... Yes.
They speak French and English.
Yeah, we are so proud because we knew that they have the best player in the world. So we are so happy to get the clean sheet today in front of our fans.
We know they have the best player in the world. Even though Rodri winnable, but everybody say no say.
Yes, sir.
They have the best player in the world, and we kept the clean sheet. Vinicius didn't see nothing, but I'm nothing. Baba no see.
They're shocking now. I think it was first half 9. Mbappe even see one shot on target. Where I had denied that. That's how you finished. Yeah.
Nothing.
You have to take it as a lesson to do it again next week.
And of course, Declan Rice never scored a free kick. 2 amazing ones. How do you feel about his performance? He's really stepped up to the team today.
Yeah, of course we don't score a lot of direct free kicks, and today he scored 2 in a big game like this. So we are so proud of him, and I hope he will score again. And yeah, we are so happy of his performance because he was amazing today.
And what sort of confidence does this bring for the next leg? We know it's not over. There's still 45 minutes for both sides to go. How do you feel approaching that as a defender?
Yeah, of course, we won 3-0 today. We want to win again next week to be qualified. So we don't have to be scared. We want to go there and win the game again.
I said we don't have to be scared.
Exactly.
He said, you see what he said? We don't have to be scared. And other thing when I see reason, very soon, now so many clubs will consider to Arsenal and say, yeah, we know that Arsenal is the best defender in the EPL or in the world.
Yes.
Just like the way you talk, just now said the best player. You understand? Like Vinicius, yeah. So I believe so many people will give us that accolade as well. You know.
No, just here, guys. Just here.
Racing's 2 goals. First ever free kick in his career. Do you see that in training every day?
No, I don't see that. That's the first time I've seen.
They ask her whether I for training, whether I don't see that. Ask her kind of I've not seen it too.
Good free kick of Deck today because we don't score a lot of free kicks, direct free kicks. So I'm so proud of him, and I hope he will score, and I'm sure that he will score again.
We will.
Yeah, one of the best, and I hope not the last one.
The fans are saying that was the greatest night at the Emirates since Arsenal moved to this stadium. On the pitch, did it feel like the greatest night? Yeah,
it was incredible because to win in a quarter-final like this against Madrid in front of our fans is amazing. But now we have to do it again next week away.
William, what does that do for the belief for the team going to Bernabeu?
Yeah, we want to go there and win the game. We won 3-0 today, but we know that it's not finished. The Champions League, there is a lot of things that can happen. So we have to go there and win and not defend all the game.
Et un mot sur votre duel
It's still a very young team, but what can this sort of performance
It dey make most people understand that people dey think say we wan go do no block oh. It dey make everyone understand but we know the defense oh. Now as we just sit there play because if you even look at our shoes the best defense na to attack. But we know what to put body say if we not see goals then I do all that. But if the opportunity comes,
like 0-0.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
It gave us a lot of confidence for what is coming next, and we have to keep going like this. Even if we have a young team, we can do it.
All right, thanks for watching, guys.